Good morning, my dear children. We are in the chapter 2, that is a computer system. In our previous class, we have discussed about the IPO cycle. That is the process on which a computer works. IPO means input, process and output. To work on this IPO cycle, the various hardware devices attached to the computer. Today, we are going to cover input devices. Here we can see the most common input device, that is keyboard. A keyboard has around 104 keys. On the basis of their functionality, these keys are divided into 5 groups. They are alphanumerical keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, and numeric keypad. Keyboard is called QWERTY keyboard because it is QWERTY in layout. Where from the name came? It has got its name from the order of letters in the first row of alphabets. Look at the keyboard. Look at the first row of the alphabetical keys. Here is written the first 6 letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y. QWERTY. Here from the name comes QWERTY keyboard. The another common important device is mouse. It is called the pointing device. This pointing device was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1964. Why it is called pointing device? Because it controls the movement of the pointer across the computer screen. Wherever we move the mouse, the pointer moves in the same direction. It is used to point, select, drag an object, and scroll the computer screen. A mouse usually has 2 buttons, the left button and the right mouse button. We can see the left button and right button are pointing in the picture, and with a scroll wheel in the middle. It is connected to the CPU through a cable. Nowadays, wireless mouse is very popular. Here we can see the picture of wireless mouse. It can be connected to the computer without the use of wires. Pressing the mouse button is termed as clicking. Pressing the right mouse button is called right clicking, and pressing the left mouse button is called left clicking. Here is the next input device, that is scanner. Scanner is an input device that is used to take input from a piece of paper. That means we can scan anything we have written in our copy. any of our book pages, any pictures we have drawn, any of our photos that is coming with a piece of paper. We can scan it and store it inside our computer system. It takes an image of the text or graphics printed on the paper and store it on the computer for future use. It is connected to the computer through a cable. Flatbed, sheet-fed, and handheld are the three types of scanners. You can see the picture of scanner. It is quite similar with the Xerox machine, is not it? Here we can see the image of microphone. It is another input device that takes the input in the form of sound. It helps in recording voice or any sound. That means we can record our stories, poems, songs with the help of this microphone, and we can store it in the computer for the further use. Next, there is touch screen. A touch screen is a input device that takes input through the touch of finger or a pen-shaped device. It has a screen that responds to the touch. We can point to objects by directly touching them with our fingers. Some examples of touchscreen devices are smartphones, with the help of which most of you are attending the online class. Then tablets, laptops, ATMs, etc. Light pen, another input device. It looks like a pen. It used to select, write or draw on the computer screen directly. It is quite difficult to draw with the help of mouse, but with the help of light pen we can draw easily on the computer screen as we draw on a paper with the help of pencil. Joystick. Joystick is another pointing device. It also controls the movement of pointer, but it is mainly used while playing the games to move a character or object. Here we can see two types of joysticks. So students, follow the video and read the book properly. This much today. On our next class, we will discuss about processing device. Thank you.